today. Everybody sees that this claim with Jay-Z and Diddy seems like it's escalating. I think they were saying about the judge no shit. I mean Jay-Z no shit for the judge to dismiss the case or at least reveal the victim, well, the alleged victim, and the judge kind of came down a little hard on Jay-Z, and you know what I mean, to show him that he wasn't above the law. It makes you, not only that, I remember like about a week ago, I think Jay-Z tried to put out a statement saying that him and Diddy were never friends or something like that. Like I think they associated a few times, yet some pictures and a video have surfaced of him at some Diddy parties, half dressed or at least allegedly. It makes me wonder, since Jay-Z tried to turn his back on Diddy and claim, oh, well, I was never his friend, he's trying his best to disassociate himself with Diddy. It makes me wonder if one of them is going to turn on the other with this case, because it seems to be moving forward. So what I thought I would do today is a reading to see if either Jay-Z or Diddy is going to try to like snitch on the other or testify against the other, okay? Now, of course, before I start this reading, I need to put out this disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Everything I state in this video is just my interpretation of the cards. Nothing I state in this video have been proven to be fact as of now. So now we're going to shuffle these cards, and we're going to see if Jay-Z and Diddy is going to turn on each other, or if one is going to turn on the other, and if so, who? Spirit, can you please tell me whether Jay-Z or Diddy will snitch on each other? Will Jay-Z or Diddy snitch on each other, Spirit? Can you please tell me? Hit that like button if you guys are enjoying the video so far. Yeah, I want to see this for myself. See how this case is going to come out between them. Will they stick together, or is one of them going to talk? All right, we almost ready. All right, I think I feel the energy shifting. So we're ready to pull the cards, and we're going to see if anybody's going to snitch on anybody. Alright, so I feel like... Alright, hold on, let me pull these cards and I can tell y'all what I'm feeling. Okay, so you got the 9 of Swords reversed, and then the 10 of Swords next to it. I feel like one of them is trying their best to avoid jail, because they know if they go to jail or get convicted, that they're going to be ruined. So I feel like, you know what I mean, it's every man for himself at this point. I feel like, yeah, they probably were friends, but when it comes to a court case, I think in that industry, what's a friend anyway? All alleged for entertainment purposes, of course. So somebody's gonna move forward. I feel like somebody's gonna move forward. You got the expansion card right here with the 3 of you got the 3 of Wands, and then you got the Page of Pentacles next to that. You got the 2 of Swords reversed. Somebody gonna move forward. I feel like somebody gonna snitch. Somebody gonna like break in and work with the feds. I ain't gonna say feds. All alleged for entertainment purposes. They gonna try to avoid jail the best way they can. And not to mention, I feel like you see how you got the Queen of Swords right here. It's gonna be about revenge. I feel like there's gonna be an offer that they're not gonna refuse. All alleged. You know what I mean? So they're gonna communicate. They're gonna talk. Now, like I said, I see right here there's somebody being spiteful and vengeful. I feel like, I don't want to be facetious and jump the gun, but I'm wondering if P. Diddy is going to snitch on Jay-Z only because Jay-Z was trying to disassociate himself with him, and I'm seeing like a card of revenge, or it might be like somebody else that come and snitch on both of them, like some kind of female. This is what I'm saying, because I see this Queen of Swords reversed, which means that somebody is going to talk, and they're going to want to get revenge on the other. All alleged for entertainment purposes, of course. So then, okay, so you got the Moon card, the fears and anxiety, you know what I mean, getting the best of them. Yeah, they're going to be scared that they're going to go away for a long time. Their fear and anxiety is going to get the best of them. They're going to feel like, I'm a celebrity, I can't do this, I need to be released from jail, I can't stay in jail. I'm going to cooperate. Okay, so you got the Temperance card, which is the Sagittarius card, and also working in harmony. You know what I mean? The Page of Wands reversed, and the Seven of Pentacles reversed, meaning that basically they're ruthless and they'll do anything to avoid, you know what I mean, losing their career and their business. One of them is going to talk and let's see, working in cooperation, work common ground, like become a turncoat. Yep, they're gonna turn me back on the friendship. You know what? I said P. I know I just said P Diddy, but honestly, no. I'm seeing you got the Sagittarius right here. You got the Page of Wands reverse, which is fire sign energy. You got the King of Wands reverse, which is some more fire sign energy. I feel like Jay-Z. I feel like Jay-Z gonna snitch on Diddy. This is what I feel like. Jay-Z's not gonna want to go down with Diddy, or at least not want to go down as long as Diddy, and he know he did just as much stuff as Diddy, all alleged. So I feel like he gonna work with the feds. I feel like Jay-Z is the type that whatever benefits him. Like, I mean, I think Diddy's like that too, allegedly, you know what I mean? But I feel like, yeah, it's the opportunist. They gonna take that. Sever ties with the friend, they gonna take it. I feel like he gonna turn, I feel like Jay-Z gonna turn against Diddy. All alleged for instant rumors. I mean, if you think about it, he already kind of has by trying to say, oh, I was never his friend to begin with, and all this, trying to disassociate himself with Diddy. Somebody's saying something. What are we smoking up in here? No, that's sage, sweetheart. What you do is you light the sage and it clears your energy. I like to burn sage. I don't smoke anything. Nothing at all. But what I do is, this is for purifying energy. It's for spiritual practices. And it has some good medical benefits, okay? So I would advise, like, if you could buy some sage and stuff like that, light it in your own house. And it kind of smells good. It's almost like incense. And it comes from the earth. Alright, so anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, I feel like, yep, Jay-Z's already considering snitching on Diddy, because I don't feel like he feels like, I think he's getting nervous, allegedly, especially when the judge, you know what I mean, isn't listening to his motion right now. He's not in control, and Jay-Z doesn't like them not be in control. He has to try to take over everything and be in control. It's going to be a war between them. They now will become frenemies, him and P. Diddy. Yep. It's every man for himself at this point. What else you saying? Oh, okay, thank you. I was just curious. No problem, sweetie. It's fine. Great. Pull some more cards. Let me see here. So, I said that Jay-Z's deeply contemplating talking about all of the stuff they did. You know what I mean? Let me see here. Jay-Z is very shady. Allegedly, for entertainment purposes, Jay-Z's very self-centered. Jay-Z's very self-serving. And Jay-Z is about what makes him happy, and he got to keep up with appearances. He always got to win. You know what I mean? He feel like he was trying. First, he was trying to use his money to get out of this. Similar to what P. Diddy was trying to do at first when P. Diddy first went down. You know what I mean? He was trying to shriek, and Jay-Z was trying to shriek responsibility. You know what I mean? Trying to use his resources, trying to get out. But he sees that his money ain't going to get him out of this one. You know what I mean? All of that for extent purposes, trying to act like he's this upstanding man, this savior, this hero, and somebody lying on him to get money. Allegedly. Yeah, Jay-Z's going to turn against Diddy. I feel like Jay-Z going to tell some things, and yeah, Jay-Z's not going down like Diddy did. I'm not saying that he's not. I don't know. I'm not saying it from a standpoint of he's not gonna get as much time. I'm saying it from a standpoint of he's, you know what I mean. He's like, no, I ain't going down. I don't care if I gotta sell him out. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, Jay-Z's shady, very shady from what I'm seeing from the cards or from what my gut is saying. You know what I mean. And Jay-Z. Let me see, you got the Three of Swords, which is about sadness, pain, and sorrow. Next to that is the Ace of Cups. Yeah, he's willing to screw over a friendship and let that friendship go. You know what I mean? As long as it keeps his butt stable, at home, and out of jail. All alleged for entertainment purposes. Not to mention, he knows that him and Beyonce got like this codependent relationship. Beyonce's not going to stay with him. He knows Beyonce's going to leave him. And, you know, like I said, it's the whole image thing. It's not, like I said, Beyonce and Jay-Z is not together because they love each other. You know what I mean? Allegedly for entertainment purposes, of course. This is not about love as much as this is, like I said, this is business. This is an image. They built a brand. This is money. You know what I mean? Beyonce leave him. Well, of course, he still can make money. You know, it's not a question of that. But how much money does Beyonce bring him by being, you know, Mrs. Carter, them having a brand, them being this big family and stuff like that? It's all about that. He can't lose that, you know, especially over something he did 20 years ago. Allegedly for entertainment purposes, of course. He fears right now losing. You know what I mean? And then the fact that he can't use his money to get out of this one, or at least he hasn't been able to. The judge has, you know what I mean? Excuse me. The judge has kind of came at him hard, like it's like, oh crap, I might really, you know what I mean, have to face the music with this one, allegedly for entertainment purposes, of course. So let me see. You got the judgment reversed. You got the judgment card reversed. Is what I'm saying. Yeah, he's gonna make some very crazy decisions. You know what I mean? He's going to get out of this the best way he can, and he got a plan. Jay-Z got a plan. You got the magician. He got a plan. He got resources. He's going to go on some kind of new path. You know what I mean? So to ensure that he doesn't lose. Then I think that's what the new path is. He gonna snitch. Jay-Z playing the snitch. See the hand reversed. Let me see. Then you got the seven. You got the Six of Cups, which is about somebody running away. He's going to run away from those responsibilities. Because he know he did stuff too, allegedly for entertainment purposes. Which is going to, I feel like Diddy is going to feel jaded. And he's going to leave Diddy to rot in jail. Allegedly for entertainment purposes. I feel like Diddy is going to try to get revenge on Jay-Z though. All alleged for entertainment purposes. Let me see here. Okay, so again with the consulting of the spirits and the black magic. You got the chariot reverse about somebody abusing their power, abusing their authority. You got the world card reverse, somebody that got to be constantly on their guard and look out. I think that Diddy is going to have to probably look out and be cautious because of the stuff he did with Jay-Z. Jay-Z going to talk, allegedly. Let me see what you guys are saying. Is this magic? I don't know. Okay, I would love to see a future video on how the legends for Michael's peers saw Michael. Did they think he deserved his legend status? Thank you. Okay, sweetheart. So I can make that video for you coming in the future. Okay? Or if you guys want to stay on, I'm gonna finish up this live and then I could come back, do another live, and we could discuss that with Mike. Okay? That's actually a good idea. I'll do that for you. Let me see. Okay, so let me clean up this energy. Yeah. Jay-Z gonna snitch. He is not trying to do prison. You see, he came up swinging, and it's like it's cool, and I understand about the coming out swinging if you say somebody's lying on you, but it's like he had lawyers on standby. See, you got the justice card. He gonna work with the legal system. He gonna work with them. He gonna open up. See, the opening up, telling them about everything. You know what I mean? As long as he could get something out of the deal, of course, like probably get lesser time. Then you got the high priestess next to the emperor. I think somebody feels that in their gut that he's going to be a turncoat. The empress. I'm trying to see what she's talking about. Let me pull some more cards on that energy to see what she's talking about real quick. Matter of fact, I could just pull the rest of the cards. Let me see here. So you got the Sun card reversed, which means pessimism. Jay-Z scared. Jay-Z scared of going to jail, and he sees, and like I think that Jay-Z knows that's like his best bet is to start talking, or at least I don't know if he knows that yet, but eventually it's going to lead to that. Like his best bet may just be to start talking, and that's the option he's going to take. You know what I mean? Start talking. Also do a payout. You know what I mean? And then he's going to express remorse for the stuff he witnessed. I feel like, I get the feeling that he's going to try to say, well, I ain't do it, but I've witnessed Diddy do a lot of things. All alleged for entertainment purposes. So leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Do y'all think that Jay-Z going to turn on Diddy? Do y'all think he's going to snitch? Do you think he's going to try to avoid prison by... Well, I mean, he didn't already distance himself, well, at least tried to distance himself from Diddy. So I don't think it's too far-fetched that he just might, turn against him. All right, so I'm going to end this live, and then we're going to come back in like 5 minutes, and we're going to talk about what did Michael Jackson's peers feel about him when he was at his height. All right, I'll see you guys in like 5 minutes. You're welcome for the reading, sweetheart. Thank you for tuning in. All right, good night, my babies.